Right, hello everyone. What we're going to do today is basically break down Phil's split squat, okay? So what we're going to do is have a little look at how we can change this movement from being a bit more quad focused to getting a little bit more bum involved, okay? So this is going to be especially important for those females out there that want to train their bum and maybe are feeling their quads, the front of the thigh, working a bit too much in some movements like split squats, lunges. So what we're going to do is Phil's going to just show us three of how he does his normal reps, which is how most people do split squats, okay? So Phil's going to get in about 3 reps, and what you'll see is that he's breaking from the knees first, staying very upright, and he's traveling straight up and down with a fairly narrow stance, which is all great, okay? That's how we want to do it if we want to really focus on these quads. So these are the slight changes we're going to make so we can try and hit a little bit more bum. So Phil's going to jump his back foot back quite a bit further, just as far as we can go without forcing this into, that extended position where it gets a bit uncomfortable. So we don't want that. So Phil can probably come back a tiniest bit further. Nice. And you see instantly we've now got a bit of a different angle. So he's still got a nice neutral spine. We're still nice and proud up here, but we're at a bit of a different angle. And then if you watch how Phil breaks to start the movement, he's not going to bend the back knee down first. We're going to actually drive the front knee forwards, and we're going to travel down through the hips. Perfect. So all the weight is coming through the glutes. And he's going to stand back up from that. So you'll see now that Phil's got this slightly different angle where he's coming down and forwards. So we're really focusing on stretching the glutes and then squeezing the glutes to stand back up through this rep. So the back knee isn't coming quite as low, we're not just dropping down upright. So those are great reps if we're trying to work the bum. So now Phil's just going to show us what a couple of reps look like again if we're trying to work more of the quads. So this is again just what we want to avoid if we're a female or a guy trying to train our bum. You can see the difference, right? It's very upright, stances a little bit closer together, and the first movement's happening in the knees and we're just dropping straight down. Okay, so that's how we're going to basically change up the split squat to be more bum, less thigh. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I hope that helped. Let me know if there's any more exercises you'd like me to break down and we can look at how to change them up to better match your goal.